So
could have been lost in translation.
So there's,
Yeah, that's
so
probably
there's,
what it was.
yes, especially with the parrot jokes.
Yeah, let's hear it. Go on.
So there's.
Hey everyone, Chris here from Real Rideshare Stories. If you're new to the channel and you're looking for different things within the rideshare industry, whether it's news, tips and tricks for passengers and drivers, or what actually happens on real rideshare rides, start now by hitting that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Also make sure to check the description below for other helpful information and tips. So, did you hear the one about the rabbi, the 3 nuns, and the police? Not that type of crowd? That's alright. How about this one? What's the difference between peanut butter and jam? I can't peanut butter my dick. Alright, no, I got a pretty funny story for you today. This was when there were a couple of drunk guys. One of them was trying to be a little bit of a comedian, and they were drunk funny jokes. So I thought I'd share it with you, get a few laughs maybe, and just enjoy. So here you go, check it out, and I'll see you right after.
Yeah, dude, my goal is like one day I want to shatter a pen.
Break a few pins.
Just one. Dude, I want to fucking shatter a bone. That's my goal in life. Well, not my goal in life. It's my goal in bowling. Like,
Could be your goal in life too.
no. It's a fucking really fucking low goal in life.
Nick, so tell some of your jokes. Maybe he'll appreciate them. We had this Uber driver, Middle Eastern guy. Mm-hmm. Seemed like a very nice guy. Good driver. But Nick was telling all his like jokes, and like the guy wasn't getting it.
He did not get it.
Maybe his sense of humor.
So should I tell this guy the same jokes I was telling the other guy?
Let's tell a few. Let's see if he laughs. This other Uber driver we had was like clueless.
Dude, seriously. Oh, I was on the parrot
He was
mode.
a good driver.
So
could have been lost in translation.
So there's,
yeah, that's
so
probably
there's,
what it was.
yes, especially with the parrot jokes.
Yeah, let's hear it. Go on.
So this fucking woman's walking in front of this pet store. The parrot goes, "Ah, hey lady, you're really fucking ugly." She fucking comes back the next day. She's fucking doing her fucking laps in front of every fucking time she walks in front of the store. The fucking on that day, the parrot said, "Hey lady, you're really fucking ugly." And fucking the next day she comes in and she goes to she's like, "Who's the owner of this fucking place? I fucking want to press charges against this fucking parrot. He's fucking, this is assault, this is fucking, she's demeaning me, fucking everybody." He's like, "Look lady, don't fucking do anything. I'll talk to the parrot. It'll never happen again, I can assure you. Dude, you're gonna want to go left here. Oh no, not here. Next one." And so the next day, fucking first thing in the morning, fucking lady walks in front of the fucking pet store. Fucking parrot goes, "Hey lady!" And she fucking looks at him, daggers in her eyes. He says, "You know."
Nick, let's hear about the black guy at the Cali.
Oh my god, this black guy is like 6'2". He's built like a brick shit house, right? Fucking, he walks into a Cadillac dealership and the salesman walks up to him and says, "Hello, sir, are you thinking about buying a Cadillac?" He looks at him and says, "No, I am buying a Cadillac. I'm thinking about pussy."
There you go.
Even black guys like that joke.
Yeah, it is fucking like, you can tell the black guy.
Like, yeah, we were thinking about pussy. Yeah, give us one more.
So,
we're about to get chopped off. Give us one more. Go.
Alright, so this fucking so what did Cinderella say when she got to the ball?
Say it again.
I don't know.
What's the joke again?
What did Cinderella say when she got to the ball?
Ayo.
Same thing they all say.
Why'd she get kicked out of the toy box?
Why?
Because she sat on Pinocchio's face and said, "Tell a lie."
Oh,
Nice.
But 5 stars for you, my friend.
All right, have a good night, guys.
5 stars.
All right, so yeah, that was a couple of drunk rider jokes. I hope you guys got a little bit of enjoyment out of it, or maybe even a couple of laughs. They're a lot better when you're drunk, when you're hearing them versus not drunk. But either way, hopefully you got a good one. And if you got some funny jokes, make sure you put in the comments below. Let's get a good laugh out of today, especially what's going on out there, so we can bring a little bit of laughter back. All right, that's the end of today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you'll be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Make sure to check the description for other helpful information and tips. And as always, never drink and drive, always tip your drivers, and we'll see you next time.